Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems API 650 Tank Design Training Course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. API 650 Tank Design Training equips professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to design, construct, and maintain above-ground storage tanks following API 650 standards. This training focuses on the critical aspects of tank design, including materials selection, welding, fabrication techniques, and compliance with safety regulations. Participants gain insights into calculating tank dimensions, handling pressure variations, and ensuring durability against environmental factors. Designed for engineers, fabricators, and quality inspectors, the course emphasizes real-world applications and practical case studies to enhance problem-solving capabilities. This training offers several benefits, including improved technical proficiency, increased compliance with industry standards, and enhanced career prospects. By understanding API 650 guidelines, professionals can design safer, more efficient tanks, minimizing operational risks and costs. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the API 650 tank design training. It is open to anyone interested in learning storage tank design, construction, and maintenance standards. What will you learn? During the course you will understand the fundamentals of API 650 storage tank design and construction, material selection for durability and compliance, welding techniques and fabrication processes, calculation of tank dimensions and capacity, inspection and maintenance best practices, safety and environmental regulations compliance, troubleshooting and failure prevention strategies. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about fabrication techniques and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our API tank design subject matter experts have profound understanding of tank engineering principles, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of CAD/CAM/piping domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Organizations benefit from reduced maintenance downtime and better adherence to environmental and safety regulations. Research highlights the critical role of proper tank design in industrial safety, with studies showing that adherence to standards like API 650 reduces the likelihood of structural failures by up to 30%. API 650 tank design training is an invaluable resource for professionals striving to uphold excellence in industrial tank design and maintenance. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's API 650 Tank Design Training, where you will master tank design, construction, and maintenance, enhancing your expertise in industrial safety and compliance standards.